Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Magnetics.
Hard Topics.
I'm Bridget.
And I'm Mike.
And today we have something very exciting because we are releasing, for the first time ever in Fair-Rite history, unless someone corrects me, a kit for ham radio operators.
What?
So, we have our brand new Common Mode Noise Reduction Kit for amateur radio operators.
Wow, one take.
Wow. Yeah, I know. There was a lot of words there. And if you want the part number, I'll put it in the description. So, today we're going to review what's in the kit, the idea behind it, what you can find if you get one, and where you can get those. So, Mike? So we have in this kit, the first thing that's huge is that we have
this. That's huge.
That's a huge part. So what would that one be for these guys?
So let's go over what material's in here first of all.
Yeah, true.
So everything in this kit is 31 material. The reason we chose that is kind of the frequency range that it operates best in. That would be 1 to roughly 300 megahertz, but those are not hard bounds. I mean, that's just kind of a recommendation. But we feel that's kind of right in the meat of where we're trying to fix problems. And then, yeah.
And then other than that, it's the first time ever that Fair-Rite has our brand new oval snappets in an engineering kit. It won't be the last time, but it's the first time. So these blue oval snappets we released last year, so they have not made it into an engineering kit, a sample kit. So what would be ideal for them?
So these are nice that you could put them over pretty large diameter conductors. You can also repurpose them from bus bars, and probably a particular interest for a kit like this, if you have a larger coax cable, you can actually make multiple passes through that one core because it's oval shaped. So you might be able to get more through that type of core than you would otherwise be able to in a normal round snap-it type core. What else we got in here?
And they're blue.
And they're blue.
And they're beautiful. So then we do have a few other round cable snappets in here.
You know them. You love them. The round cable snap-it.
Oh, snap.
Snapping over round cables for a really long time now.
Coax cables.
And we have 3 sizes of those. So we have the smallest being, actually, get the nice data sheet.
So in your kit, you're going to come with this data sheet that goes over the ideal uses and like the part numbers, some curves. This will all be in everyone's kit, and some information on it. I was testing Mike if he memorized it.
I didn't remember them off the top of my head. So these are the 164281 snappets. That'd be the smallest size in the kit. 164181, which is kind of the medium size, and then the largest we have is the 176451. And I'm using kind of shorthand for the part numbers on those. So the part numbers of all of those start with 04, which indicates that it's a snap-it, 31, that is 31 material, and then the last 6 speak to kind of the size and geometry of the core. And the only one that we have in the kit that is not a snap-it type core is the toroidal suppression core. Now, this can be used kind of multiple different ways, probably the most obvious of which is the creation of balance. So we'd be able to use multiple wraps on this or create a transformer of sorts to make a balun. Now, you can also use this core to do multiple windings if you needed a very high winding count on a core. This type of geometry is a lot better suited for that than it is with the snap-it type cores, or what we call like a cable core or shield bead core. So that would be the last type in this kit.
So the idea behind this kit is that we were always getting a lot of questions from different amateur radio operators and hoping that this is a small sampling of what they generally need. We took the advice of our internal engineers that are also amateur radio operators. And we also worked with the ARRL on getting their approval. So this is also the first time that this kit will be available through the ARRL, along with our authorized distributors. And we're really excited.
Yeah.
So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of questions. If you have any, comment below, and I'll put the link to what is in the kit in the description of this video. So request yours today at our authorized distributors or the ARRL, and comment what you want us to cover next. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.